Your front yard could look like a magazine cover by this afternoon, and it's going to cost you less than your weekly grocery run. This is instant curb appeal using nothing but cheap planters and a few flowers. Look at this plain, boring entrance. Now look at this. Same house, same budget homeowner. One easy method. Quick safety note before we start. Always wear gloves when handling soil and check that any flowers you choose are safe if you have pets or small children around. Watch the full video because the placement tricks and color combinations I share later make the biggest difference. Hit subscribe right now so you don't miss the next transformation. Let's get your porch looking incredible. Here's exactly what we're using today, and none of it is expensive. 2 large plastic planters, about $8 each from any home or garden store. 3 medium terracotta-style pots, roughly $4 each. A bag of potting mix, around $6. 1 flat of marigolds or petunias, usually under $10 for 6 plants. A small bag of mulch, about $3. A basic hand trowel if you don't already have one, less than $5. That puts this entire transformation at under $40 total. Cheap planters and flowers, that's the whole secret. No expensive landscaping crew, no fancy imported pots. Just smart choices and smart placement. Grab your supplies and let's move into the demo. This is the most important part, so pay close attention. Step 1. Choose your planter sizes strategically. You want at least 1 large planter as your anchor piece and 2 or 3 smaller ones to support it. This creates natural visual hierarchy instead of a flat, boring row. Pause here and set your planters near your entryway before filling them, so you can preview the arrangement. Step 2. Prep the planters properly. Add a 2-inch layer of small stones or broken pottery pieces at the bottom of each planter for drainage. This single step prevents root rot and keeps your flowers healthy for months. Fill each planter about 70% full with potting mix, leaving room for the root balls. Step 3. Choose your color strategy. This is where most people go wrong, and it's also where the real transformation happens. Pick 1 dominant color, 1 accent color, and 1 neutral filler color. For example, deep red marigolds as your dominant color, soft white petunias as your accent, and green trailing vine as your neutral filler. This 3-color rule instantly makes any arrangement look professionally designed. Step 4. Plant with the thriller, filler, spiller method. In the center or back of the planter, place your tallest flower. This is your thriller. Around it, add your medium-height blooms. This is your filler. Along the edges, add a trailing plant that will spill over the sides. This is your spiller. Pause here and physically arrange the plants inside the pot before you commit to planting them, so you can adjust spacing. Step 5. Plant firmly but gently. Dig a small hole in the mix, place the root ball in, and press soil around the base without compacting it too hard. Water lightly right after planting to help the roots settle. Step 6. Position your planters using the rule of odd numbers. Odd-numbered groupings, 3 or 5 planters together, look far more natural and intentional than even numbers. Place your large anchor planter directly beside your front door or at the base of your steps. Add the medium planters in a slight zigzag pattern leading toward the entrance, not a straight, stiff line. Step 7. Vary your heights. If your planters are all similar height, place 1 or 2 on a simple wooden crate, an overturned bucket, or a small plant stand. This adds dimension and draws the eye upward toward your door. Pause here and step back 10 feet to check the visual balance from the street view, since that's the actual angle guests and buyers will see first. Step 8. Add mulch on top of the soil in every planter. This is a small detail that makes a massive difference. Mulch gives an instantly clean, finished, expensive look, and it also helps the soil retain moisture so you water less often. Step 9. Frame your entry points. If you have a walkway, place a smaller planter or two along the path, not just at the door. This creates a guided, welcoming visual journey from the sidewalk to your entrance. Step 10. Do a final symmetry and color check. Stand at the street and look at your whole setup. Colors should feel balanced, not clustered all on one side. Heights should rise gently toward the door instead of feeling random. That's it. That's the entire method. And it genuinely takes most homeowners under 2 hours from empty planters to a finished look. Now let's talk about the transformation, because this is where it gets exciting. Before, this entryway looked tired, plain, and honestly forgettable. Bare concrete steps, no color, nothing drawing the eye toward the front door. After the same $40 setup, the entire mood of the house changes. The red and white blooms immediately catch attention from the street. The staggered planter heights lead the eye naturally up the steps and straight to the front door. The mulch gives every pot a clean, retail store finish instead of a thrown-together look. This is the kind of curb appeal upgrade that real estate agents specifically recommend before listing a home. It photographs beautifully for listings, for social media, or just for your own pride walking up to your house every day. And the best part, this entire look can be refreshed every season for under $50 by simply swapping the flowers. So why does this simple method create such a dramatic visual shift? It comes down to 3 basic design principles: color contrast, height variation, and rhythm. Our eyes are naturally drawn to color contrast, which is why the dominant, accent, and neutral color rule works so well. It creates a focal point without looking chaotic. Height variation matters because a flat, single-level planting reads as static and low effort to the human brain, while layered heights create movement and depth, the same way a skyline looks more interesting than a flat wall. Rhythm comes from the odd-numbered groupings and the slight zigzag placement. Our brains process asymmetrical, staggered patterns as more natural and intentional than perfectly even, robotic rows. Combine all 3, color, height, and rhythm, and you get a space that feels designed, even though it only took 2 hours and cost less than $40. Let's cover a few important safety and care points before you go. Always check that your chosen flowers are non-toxic if you have pets, young children, or if wildlife frequently visits your yard. Marigolds and petunias are generally considered safe choices, but always double-check locally before planting anything new. Wear gloves when handling potting mix and mulch, since some blends can irritate sensitive skin. Make sure large planters are placed on stable, level ground so they can't tip over in wind or heavy rain. For long-term maintenance, water most flowering annuals 2 to 3 times per week, adjusting for your local climate and rainfall. Deadhead spent blooms, meaning pinch or snip off dying flowers, to encourage continuous new growth all season long. Refresh your mulch layer every couple of months to keep that clean, polished appearance. And if you're in a colder climate, bring ceramic or terracotta planters indoors, or empty them before winter to prevent cracking from freezing temperatures. Curb appeal matters more than most homeowners realize. Studies on real estate marketing consistently show that a well-maintained, attractive entrance creates a strong first impression within seconds of someone seeing your home. That first impression affects everything from neighborly perception to actual property value. The good news is you don't need an expensive landscaping overhaul to get that effect. Small, strategic plantings, done with intention, can create the same emotional impact as a $5,000 landscaping project, just on a fraction of the budget. That's the real power of this cheap planters and flowers method. Big visual impact, small investment. So there you have it, a complete instant curb appeal transformation using cheap planters and simple flowers, all for under $40. We covered exactly what to buy, the step-by-step planting and placement method, the science behind why it looks so polished, and how to keep it looking great all season. If this video helped you picture a better-looking entryway, give it a like right now. It genuinely helps this channel grow. Drop a comment and let me know what colors you're planning to use for your own porch. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you catch the next budget-friendly home transformation the moment it drops. Thanks for watching. Now go grab those planters, and I'll see you in the next one.